Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is an ergonomic standing desk that I recently bought for my home office. It's a height adjustable desk powered by dual electric motors and it's called ErgoYou. It is a bit expensive, but it does make your home office interesting and comfortable. To start with, I'll unbox and assemble the unit, and in the later part of this video, I shall be providing you an in-depth review of this desk with its pros and cons and how you can get the most out of it. The package contains two legs with the lifting motors inside it. There is a horizontal main beam that is the supporting structure for the whole table. These are feet with foot pads, and we also get brackets to hold the tabletop. Next is the motor controller by T-Motion, and lastly we get the handset or the keypad to control the height. 3 cable ties with sticky pad are also provided for cable management. All the required bolts, nuts, screws, rubber cushions, a screwdriver and a hex spanner is also present in the package. The tabletop is packed separately and it has pre-drilled holes for fixing the brackets, keypad and the controller. Assembly instructions are pretty straightforward and can be easily understood by looking at the pictorial representations. So guys, finally the assembly is done. For the most part, one person is just sufficient, but when it comes to inverting the legs to fix the tabletop and turning the whole desk back to the upright position, you will need a helping hand. The build quality is exceptionally good without any imperfections. The whole desk is very heavy and as such it's very sturdy. The lifting column has a 2-stage telescopic section and all the metal parts are powder coated and white in color. The tabletop finish is also good. I went with the light shaded maple laminate as I prefer a light color. The edges are rounded and has a neat finish. It is 25 mm thick and it's made of engineered wood. The tabletop measures about 4 feet by width and 2 feet by depth, and the load bearing capacity of the desk is 120 kilograms. With respect to the handset or the keypad controls, there are 2 buttons for lifting and bringing down the desk. There are 2 electric motors in each of the legs that does the heavy lifting job. As long as the button is kept pressed, the desk will rise up till it reaches its maximum height. The maximum height is 117 centimeters and the minimum height is 71 centimeters. The last button, that is labeled M, is for memory function. We can set up to 4 custom height presets. All we need to do is bring the desk to the required height and then press and hold the memory button until the display flashes, and then press the preset button to record the height. The T-Motion control box has a software-based anti-collision system. It reduces the damage to the columns in the event of collision with a very firm object. Once an obstruction is detected, the columns will stop and then move back 40 mm in the opposite direction. Having said that, do watch for the obstacles when you transition from standing to sitting. The collision system may not work on smaller objects or obstacles that are not firm. Before you bring down the desk, check if nothing comes in the way of the tabletop. Also ensure that the cables are free and loose, else they may just snap off. Talking about the power consumption, it consumes about 120 watts of power when lifting and 60 watts when going down. When idle, it goes to standby mode and it hardly consumes any power. In case if there is a power cut, then the desk will remain in its current position and height cannot be altered until the power comes back. I use this desk in my day-to-day work. I prefer to stand and work during meetings, and if my work demands deep focus and thinking, I just bring it down so that I can sit and work. Otherwise, I keep oscillating between sitting and standing positions several times a day. I end up spending roughly around 2 hours standing, which I think is pretty good. There are a few benefits of using the standing desk. Basically, it can help you avoid neck strain while working in a standing desk configuration. It also reduces the lower back pain that one may experience while sitting for long hours. While standing and working, I use a normal carpet as I have a hard tiled floor and as such the feet gets pretty cold. I would recommend using an anti-fatigue mat for this purpose. It is an additional ergonomic aspect to the standing desk setup. The mat provides a little cushion effect to the feet because standing on barefoot on tiled floor or hard wooden floor puts strain on your legs, knees and feet. An anti-fatigue mat can help you stand comfortably for longer duration. Basically, it offers extra comfort and makes standing upright easy on your feet. So guys, to summarize, this is an ergonomic desk that is comfortable, adjustable and very sturdy to work with. I'm sure many of you would be working from home these days. If you want to have a feel of an office environment, work productively and make your home office a place to work, then I think this is a very good option to consider. That's all I had to say on the ErgoYou height adjustable standing desk. I hope this video was useful to you. If so, please do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.